Hello students, in today's session we are going to discuss nomenclature of coordination compounds. Now in nomenclature part, two type of nomenclature you have to follow. First is formula to name. Formula of the coordination compound will be given and you will be asked the name of that coordination compound. So first we will see how to write the name of coordination compound from the formula. For example, consider the complex CO NH3 4 H2O Cl bracket complete Cl2. How to write the name? For this you have to follow these steps. First step is, first you have to write the name of counter ion. If your counter ion is positive, then its name will be mentioned first. After writing name of counter ion, you have to write prefixes. Prefixes means mono, di, tri, tetra, etc. If only one ligand is there, we are saying mono. If two ligands are there, prefix will be di. For three ligands, prefix will be tri. For four ligands, prefix will be tetra, and so on. But for abbreviated ligands, prefixes will be bis, tris, and tetrakis. Instead of this mono, di, tri, and tetra, you will write bis, tris, tetrakis, etc. Now bis means 2, tris for 3 ligands, and tetrakis for 4 ligands. Okay. After writing prefixes, you have to write names of ligands, and these names of ligands you have to write alphabetically. Then the name of central metal atom, oxidation state of central metal atom in bracket in Roman, and at last if negative counter ion will be there, that will be written at last. Okay. Now see, what is first step? First step is write the name of counter ion if it will be positive. Now in this complex, positive counter ion is not there. What is positive counter ion? Consider example K4 Fe Cl6. This ion lies outside the square bracket, so we are calling it as counter ion. Okay. Now this counter ion is K. K carries 1 plus charge. So this is the positive counter ion. So like this positive counter ion will be there, that name will be mentioned first. But in this example, positive counter ion is not there. In this example, negative counter ion is there. See, this Cl2 is outside the square bracket, so we are calling it as counter ion. And Cl carries minus charge, so it is negative counter ion. Its name will be mentioned at last. Okay. Now, second step. Now, positive counter ion is not there, so now write the prefixes mono, di, etc. So before writing this, you have to write down the ligands first. Which are the ligands? NH3, H2O, and Cl. Okay. Now, what is NH3? Some ligands and their names I will write this side, so you will be able to solve this type of questions. So first I will write neutral ligands and then anionic ligands. Okay. Now which are the neutral ligands? NH Anionic ligands are Cl minus, OH minus, C2O4 2 minus, NO2 minus, then CO3 2 minus, SCN minus, Br minus, and Cn minus. These are the some ligands. I will write their names. If the ligand is NH3, then its name will be amine. Whenever you are writing amine in the organic chemistry, you have to write single M. But whenever you are writing amine as a ligand, you have to write 2M. Okay. H2O means aqua. En is nothing but ethylene 1,2 diamine. What is CO? CO is nothing but the carbonyl. Okay. Now, if ligand is Cl minus, it will be termed as chlorido. For OH minus, hydroxido. For C2O4 2 minus, oxalato. For NO2 minus, nitrito. In most of the cases, the bond is between nitrogen and metal, so you can directly write nitrito N. CO3 2 minus, carbonato. SCN minus, thiocyanato. Br minus means bromo, and Cn minus means cyano. So these are the some ligands and their names. Okay. Now NH3. NH3 means what? Amine. So NH3 means amine. H2O means aqua. Then Cl. Cl means chlorido. So Cl is nothing but the chlorido. Okay. Now I will write this side, so there will be some place to write the names. NH3 means amine. Then H2O means aqua. And Cl means chlorido. Okay. Now, what we have to write? First, we have to write the prefixes according to the number of ligands: mono, di, tri, tetra, etc. Now, NH3, how many are there? 4. So, for NH3, 4 means it will be tetra. H2O, how many are there? Only 1. So, directly you can write aqua. And last one is Cl means chlorido, only one is there, directly you can write chlorido. Prefixes you have to write mainly for di, tri and onwards. For single ligand, no need to write prefix. Okay, so NH3 are 4, so tetra. H2 is only 1, so just I will say aqua, and C is also only 1, so chlorido. Okay, now after writing these prefixes, what we will have to write? We will have to write names of ligand alphabetically. Now alphabetically, which will come first? See, amine means it starts with A. Aqua also starts with A. So both starts with A. Now next to A there is M, and here Q. Alphabetically M comes first or Q comes first? Alphabetically M will come first. So first we will write amine, then we will write aqua, and then C means third it will be. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to write the names of ligand alphabetically. Which will come first? First will be amine. And how many amines are there? Tetra. 4 means tetra. So I will write tetra Now next to amine, second will be aqua. So here write down aqua. Third is chloridor. Okay, now all the ligands names are written alphabetically. Next to ligands, you will have to write name of central metal atom. Okay, now which is the central metal atom here? CO. CO means cobalt. So write down cobalt. After writing central metal atom, write down the oxidation state of central metal atom but in Roman. Now for this we have to calculate the oxidation state of cobalt. How to calculate oxidation state of cobalt? See, your complex is CO, NH3, 4, H2O, Cl, Cl2. You know that each Cl carries one minus charge. There are two Cl, so this will be 2 minus. This is 2 minus means on the complex there will be 2 plus charge. Okay. Now we have to find out oxidation number of cobalt. Say X. NH3 is a neutral ligand, so oxidation number will be 0. H2O is also neutral ligand, oxidation number will be 0. Cl always carry 1 minus charge. We are writing Cl as a Cl minus. So 1 is equal to, on the complex, plus 2 charge is there. So X plus this is 1 is equal to plus 2. This one will go this side. It will become minus 1. Sorry. Here Cl carries minus 1 charge, so it will be minus 1. So this is minus 1. Minus 1 will go to this side. It will become plus 1. So plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Oxidation number of cobalt is plus 3. So this 3 we have to write down in Roman, and that too again in bracket. So this is oxidation number in Roman in the bracket. Last, counter ion, if it will be negative. At the last, we have to mention negative counter ion. Here negative counter ion is there, which is the Cl, and Cl is nothing but the chloride. So here you can write chloride. The name of this complex is tetraamine aqua chloridocobalt third chloride. This way